Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some pretty footwears which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice white color slipper. It looks really nice and pretty. It's the very unique design which looks very different, very beautiful. And this one is also a very amazing kind of heel, and as you say that how you can decorate it with the corsia, which looks really beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of footwears that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting, more beautiful, and more amazing. And footwear is a vital part of our daily attire, serving not only as a mean of protection of our feet but also a fashion statement that can elevate our entire outfit from sleek and sophisticated high heel to comfortable and casual sneakers. The world of footwear offers a vast array of styles to, to suit various tastes, occasion, and personalities. Whether you are looking for elegant stilettos to make a statement at a formal event, rugged boots to add edge to your weekend looks, or versatile loafers to dress up or down. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye.